I love the little noises. So it's our first day with Quaffle. So as you can see, I'm at work. I've actually worked all morning. Jason was the one that got him out of bed and got him some food and breakfast and everything. I'm actually on my way home now to go see him. I've got a short break before I've got my last client to go see, and then I get to spend another hour with him this afternoon. So I'm dead excited. I get all morning with him tomorrow. I can't wait. It's being quiet. There's Emmy. She kicked out the living room. Hi, boy. Hi. Hi, boy. How you doing? You miss me? Yeah. Where you going? Hi, boy. Hi. You okay? Okay, so we've actually just done some target training. I wasn't able to get it on video because I didn't have the phone stand with me. But I'm happy to report he's playing with his toys. He's not fazed by the cat. The cat's intrigued, but not really too fussed by him. He's very, very happy. He's cleaning his beak. He's now watching the cat, seeing what the cat's doing. Hi, Amy. He's safe in his cage, having a chill, having a preen. At least he would be if Amy wasn't dropping our Christmas cards everywhere. Hello. Oof. Oh dear. You wanna come out for a bit? You wanna come out for a bit? Yeah.
If you're playing with them more from above, then you're actually.
So still on the first day. I didn't get to video it because I had a perch in one hand and a Quaffle in the other. He didn't step up directly onto me, but when I got him on his T-perch, he decided to step up onto my hand. So now he's chilling in the kitchen with me while I do the dishes. Oh, well, do his dishes at least. He's a good boy. Oh, big stretch. I went upstairs for a couple of minutes to get changed into my pole gear because I got to leave the pole in like 15 minutes, and I decided to let him know that we're still in the house, so I did a bit of whistling and he flock called back to me after a while. I want to see if I can get him to do it again. That's his flock call. How cool is that? He's flock calling me.
Staying up.